Some analysts are saying that bankruptcy could be California's best bet for getting out from under a crushing budget deficit of $25 billion. But current U.S. law prohibits states from declaring bankruptcy, which is why some are pushing for a change. Now, this call for a change in the bankruptcy law comes as California's financial future looks even more bleak than it did the previous year. The state's budget deficit continues to increase, while the state's unemployment rate shows no signs of dropping. Declaring bankruptcy could be the best path for the state to get out from under its crushing debt and move toward recovery. Economists say other California municipalities are already taking advantage of bankruptcy protection. The city of Vallejo and Orange County both filed for bankruptcy and are emerging with an improved financial situation. But economists say there's a big difference between a city and a state.
U.S. law considers states sovereign entities, which is why they can't file for bankruptcy. A city filing for bankruptcy might have some market backlash, but a state filing for bankruptcy could have a huge effect on investments.
That's why California Treasurer Bill Lockyer is already dismissing the idea of filing for bankruptcy, saying it would limit the state's ability to create jobs and to secure future investments. Economists say California already has the lowest credit rating in the United States.
Investors are already cautious about California bonds. There's no guarantee that filing for bankruptcy will do anything to change that. In fact, it probably will have a negative effect.
However, proponents of the bankruptcy option say it will give California leverage when dealing with the public employee unions. The state has a massive unfunded pension liability, and the threat of bankruptcy might encourage unions to agree to reduced packages. But economists say bankruptcy would not address the main reason California is in fiscal turmoil.
California's biggest problem is its out-of-control spending. The state has been consistently spending more money than it's been taking in, and that has to be addressed if they want to see any kind of economic recovery.
Republicans are expected to introduce the bankruptcy legislation soon. Experts say even if the bill was passed, it would take at least 2 years before states would be able to file. Ross Frazier, Press TV, Los Angeles.